Welcome. It is Saturday, March the 8th, 2025. Today I will be going to Katy, Texas to participate in the 7th annual Kolache Factory 5 and 10K. This will be my second time to participate in this event. I did it last year. It was in March as well. And I remember last year was really cold at that time. I think it was in the 30s. So this morning it's 69 degrees with a high of 84. There's some rain in the forecast, but hopefully that'll be after the race is over with. But yeah, join me as I head to Katy, Texas to participate in another 5K Kolache Factory run. Will you? And I just wanted to show the medal I got last year. It's an astronaut holding a flag and holding a bag of kolaches. This year it's rodeo themed. It's supposed to be, it's a cowboy on a horse holding a bag of kolaches, and it has a horseshoe around it. So it looks pretty cool. All right, so let's hit the road. But first, coffee. Hi, can I get a hot grande sugar-free vanilla latte?
Hot grande sugar-free vanilla latte? Gotcha.
That's it, yes sir. All right, thank you. All right, one hot caffeinated beverage achieved. Well, it is a bit foggy this morning. The race starts at 8:20 for the 5 and 10K. My ETA right now says 7:34, so got plenty of time. Alright, so the race is located at 14230 Katy Freeway in Houston, Texas at this Addicts Park and Ride. Just waiting for a buddy of mine to bring my packet so I can put my bib on my shirt. Alright, I got my packet from my buddy. This is the t-shirt for this year, the Kolache Factory 5 and 10K. Here's what the bib looks like. Alright, let's get this race started. They got some treats over here for after the run. And after the race, you'll get a couple of kolaches, or I will. Got the rodeo theme going. The Wild Wild West. All right, here we go. You see me collapse, pausing my watch. Water already?
The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. I know that phrase. Don't blame the Deemster.
Yes, we will.
Cannot get past 74.
Go get him.
He passed up the other guy.
Mile 1. Thank you. Thank you.
Keep going. Great job. Great job. Keep it up. Awesome. Is everybody home? Out of the Harvey, you should see that. I love that.
For that person that's walking up there, I'm going to watch that.
Hey guys,
It's a great shot.
good amount of money to be one of those big mirrors.
Is it like a Henry Cavill one?
No.
No.
It's Christopher Reeve.
Sorry.
Make like a tree. And get out of here.
Next week, Greg.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
We're not going back in the way we came in. We're not going in the way we came in. No. Still gotta work for that.
Stop flashing me lights. Does running late count as exercise? The St. Arnold's van. They got plenty of porta potties. I thought they said rum. Rum, not run. Now I'm disappointed.
But it's in the car.
All right, almost there.
That's good going to cost mine.
Sure. Are we there yet? So if you're doing the 10K, you go that way. But I'm doing the 5K. Sorry. Thank you. Pretty cool. Now we gotta get in line for the free kolaches. And it's a long line. A history of good taste. All right, Kolache time.
There's 4 lines, guys. So you can hop behind me.
Green spinach, sausage cheese, sauce jalapeno, ham and cheese, red Kolache, cream cheese. Ham and cheese, 1 or 2? 2.
Oh, privilege. It's over there, though.
It looks like I'm out of ham and cheese, actually.
Okay, sausage?
Sausage cheese?
Do you guys just like sausage?
I don't.
Sausage.
2 sausages.
I know the
Green spinach, cream cheese, fruit Kolache, apple peach cherry,
the fruit one. The fruit.
apple peach cherry or strawberry.
Oh, and they have fruit. That's
Strawberry?
yes, you're welcome. But I'm gonna get a beer.
Can I get a 2 jalapeno?
2 sauce jalapeno?
Yes, sir.
Spinach. Ooh, that sounds good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ooh, sausage.
All right, I got coffee and snacks over here. They got the corral over here. Holy cow. There's a Red Bull mobile.
We have sugar-free options. We don't, unfortunately. We have our chocolate.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
Love the camera too.
Oh, thanks. All right, another year has gone by. So this is the Addicts Park and Ride. Walk this way. Yeah, it's supposed to rain later today, so it didn't rain while we were walking, so dodge that. All right, well, that's going to do it for my video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be safe, be kind, stay caffeinated. Bonus footage. Thought I'd stop by Rudy's Country Store and Barbecue place on the way home. Give me a chopped beef sandwich. Rudy's Country Store and Barbecue. They got brisket, sausage, turkey, ribs, chicken, pork loin. 20500 Southwest Freeway. Open every day, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday till 10 p.m. They got breakfast tacos. Some beverages. Here's the menu. Potato salad. All right, just made it home. This is what the full metal looks like. 2025 finisher. Kolache factory. I like it. Looks pretty cool. I just wish it had the date on it somewhere, but it is what it is. Well, another medal to add to the rack. Hey, Rambo. I wish I could have stayed home and slept like you. I like how it was all rodeo themed for this year. The medal, the shirt, and the bib. Well, I'm going to eat me some barbecue and wait for the AT&T guy to get here to upgrade my internet. All right, well, until next time, the vlog is over.